This box has been sitting here for literally 2 weeks now, and I'm so excited to open it. Aren't we, Reagan? You want to open a box? Max wants to be in the video. Do you want to open the box? Do you want to open the box? Reagan. Yes, we have another box of Doc Martens, and if you hear a clock in this room, there is one.
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
It's a pipe bomb!
We are going to do an unboxing of some classic Docs. Kind of got these for free, but you had to like kind of post on social media to gain points to get some Doc Martens, and that's what I did. So yeah, I worked my way for these, and we're gonna open them. Now, I had only a limited selection to choose from, but these are some that I've had on my mind for a long time, so let's open it. But if you're new here, my name is Jen, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, because I like to make a lot of Doc Marten videos and just a lot of shenanigans. So let's get my handy Swiss Army knife that I got for my 18th birthday and open up this box. Yes, I may be sitting in my cupboard, but it's cute. Here's the box. It's from the Doc Marten official store, and I actually have never ordered from there. Normally I get secondhand, but here we go. We got the first bit. Cutting. Now this came in like about 3 days, so it's pretty quick. I totally don't need to do every side actually. Let's just go to this side. Beautiful Doc Marten box. Woo! Can you guess what these are? Write in the comments what you think they are, but I probably already had the picture as the thumbnail. So we got this box. It's a bit smaller, which tells you that we have some 1461s, cherry red in a UK 6, which is my regular size. And let's open up these bad boys. Oh, yes, new pair. They're going to be extremely hard to break in, but you know, I'm addicted to Docs, so I'm used to this. First shoe out is the right shoe, and we have these bad boys. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, these are like men's, well, unisex sizing, so they might be a little bit wider for my foot. Like normally this section is the problem child, but you can like add things into your shoes to make them work a bit better, but we'll see when we try them on. So we got that one. Now I really don't need any more Doc Martens, because when I fly away from America, I literally can't fit them in my bag. Super cute. These are a classic color. They came out with black and cherry red when they first kind of started out Doc Martens. So yeah, we got these. Now if you're planning to buy these yourself, I'm gonna show you a little close up. So yeah, we got like the yellow stitching. On the bottom we have the original and all this other fun stuff on the bottom, black laces, and also you got a sole in here that you can remove. Just kidding, you can't remove out of this one, it's stuck in there. So fun fact, you can't remove the inner sole from these ones, or can you? No, you cannot. Yeah, I just got these by doing this website thing, but it's over now, so I may as well not even say what it is. So here is how I style these bad boys. Alright, let's just pretend that I didn't film that like at least a month ago and we're not just back in Australia right now. But I would just like to say maybe I got to research and test a bunch of outfits to see which worked the best with these shoes, because I have worn them a lot. So yes, hello and welcome back to my room, my childhood bedroom, where I used to film all my videos. So for this first outfit, I decided that it would look really cool with just some comfy pants. I really like putting more of like brown tones with these red shoes, as well as obviously we got some like yellow socks to bring out the stitching. And basically anytime I have no idea what kind of socks to wear, I will just put on yellow because it's almost skin tone, Simpsons-y. I wore this top on top to again go with the red brown tones, and it's just this plaid top that I made with my grandma. And the best part is the back of it. It basically kind of ties across many ways, and it's just super flattering, and I'm glad I'm in Australia now because I can finally wear this top. And honestly, I wore this actually last night and there's probably some food stains on the pants. Now these pants, they are from Big Bud, which I just did a whole haul video on what I bought from there. And these are probably my most worn out of everything I got from there. Also, I like to accessorize very minimally, so I got these jewelry here and I got this one from Rellery and this one from Ana Luisa, which is this cute tiny little hand thing. Now honestly, it's actually very hot right now and I'm already sweating, so the rest of the video is probably going to be voiceover because I need to put the fan on. Turns out it's still pretty hot just recording a voiceover, but here we are. So with this one, I again decided to style the same kind of tones. They're very like autumny. I'm wearing this plaid skirt with orange, green and blue, and to then pair the rest of my items with that, you know, coordination. I have this blue embroidered denim button up as well as this red tank top underneath to add a little pop of color. Honestly, this coordination makes you look really put together, but if you don't want to go this far, you could definitely wear just the tank top or just the denim shirt. It really gives me like school uniform vibes, but these shoes kind of do that all the time anyway. And you probably remember this fabric from the last outfit because yes, it is a matching set, the skirt and the top, as well as I have a mask to complete the look. Next up, we're going very 90s inspired with this maxi dress, which I thrifted recently, and it's so comfy. Anytime you don't shave your legs, boom, just throw this on and you look amazing. I feel like this gives real witchy vibes, and you don't have to just wear it plain like this. You could definitely add a belt, or if you want to go super extra, add a hat, and I think you'd look cute for any occasion. If you want to make it more casual though, and very classic Doc Marten tumbler styling, I would also put a black t-shirt with this, oversized vintage, you know what, and it would make a very classic look. So these shoes give me major like 60s/70s vibes, so I'm going with a 60s look with the shift dress. It is a little short, to be honest, and I really wish I had some brown tights to wear with this because I think it would look so cute. To add to the vintage vibes, I've also added this flare sleeved top, which has similar kind of tones. They're more pinky this time. The dress itself is corduroy, which is probably my favorite kind of fabric, so obviously this is a major look. Sometimes you just want to chuck on something easy, so I've gone for these pink pants. You could definitely go for just blue denim, but I am a little bit extra like this, and just paired them with this black crop top, keeping it super casual yet chic. This is a pretty typical cool girl style here in Australia, so I thought I'd bring it to you guys overseas. And to be honest, I really appreciate these pants. I thrifted them recently for like $5. And you know when you see something on a rack and it's just like, you just know it's gonna fit perfectly? Well, that's these pants. They're the perfect like 80s mom jeans. If the look's too basic for you, you could definitely add like a beret or something to make it more artsy, or even go for a crochet vest. Alright, no shit, this is my favorite look out of the whole thing. I love these pants so much because they make my legs look super long and they're super comfortable. And I think it's because I normally roll up the bottom of my pants, which probably don't do me any favors. But yeah, I love these pants as well as this top that I also made with my nana, Yin Yang. Who cannot be obsessed with that print, which I've added to just add a little pop of something cool to this outfit. And I like how the red shoes kind of peep out the bottom just to be like, hello, I'm not a boring pair of black shoes. Now you're probably thinking this last look is very boring, just black jeans and a black top. No, it's all about the details. We got these very cute cactus socks hiding underneath where you peep at them at the right moment and be like, oh, cute socks. We have classic wide black vintage looking jeans as well as this cute polo top, which I got when I was in Joshua Tree recently, and it's kind of like acid wash, plus it has this art design on the back where they've drawn this cool print. So it's all about the small details in this outfit, and I feel like that is what cool girls need to do when they're wearing their Doc Martens, is not overthink it, just wear something really comfy, really cool, and live your best life. What do you think, Reagan? Do you like this one? Do you like this shoe? I think she does. So yeah, I hope you like how I styled these. I hope you like these shoes and this was helpful if you're planning on getting them. But yeah, I almost got white ones of these, but luckily recently I have got some white Bethans and I also have white Jadens, so it's kind of good that I picked out a different color. I could have also got Chelsea boots, but I don't think they look as great on me, so I ended up going for these. And what do you think, Max? You like him? You like them too? Oh. Anyways, I have been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. My Instagram is @inthewonderyears. And until next time, keep wearing ducks, keep patting dogs, and yeah, keep wondering.